How did equity and trust transform the legal landscape? This video delves into the historical events that shaped equity and its principles. Discover how these changes continue to influence modern legal practices. This unit provides a deep dive into the principles governing equity and trusts. Learners will grasp how to apply equitable rules to real-world scenarios. It highlights resolving potential client issues in diverse trust contexts. Explore how equity interrelates with other legal topics. Understand its application in domestic and commercial settings. Equity emerged as a response to the limitations of common law. Key events led to its creation, including the Earl of Oxford's case. This case emphasized the need for equity to prevail over common law. The Judicature Acts fused equity and common law administratively. Equitable maxims guide the discretionary nature of equity. Equity in law refers to fairness and justice. It offers remedies when legal solutions are inadequate. Equity applies when legal remedies fall short. An example is trademark infringement, where monetary compensation might not suffice. Equity ensures fair distribution and justice in legal matters. Equity aims to equalize rights and liabilities among parties. It originated in the 13th century as courts of law became rigid. Plaintiffs often sought equitable relief due to strict legal procedures. The Court of Chancery developed to address these issues. Equity evolved to counteract common law defects. Trusts are a vital creation of the Court of Chancery. They involve asset protection and benefit distribution. Trusts originated from dissatisfaction with common law property disputes. Historically, they served in wills, settlements, and business ventures. Today, trusts play a key role in financial investments. The Judicature Act merged equity and common law courts. Equitable principles gained precedence in legal decisions. Trusts are crucial in pension and unit trusts today. Statutes protect beneficiaries and regulate trust relationships. Trusts require certainty in intention, assets, and beneficiaries. Equity developed through petitions to the king for justice. The chancellor, often a clergyman, handled these petitions. The Court of Chancery emerged as a court of conscience. Equity conflicted with common law, leading to injunctions. Equity's evolution led to its recognition by the 15th century. This is a main call-out for this scene. The Earl of Oxford's case highlighted equity's primacy over common law. Sir Francis Bacon upheld the common injunction. Lord Ellesmere emphasized the need for chancery. The case established equity's role in correcting legal extremities. By the 17th century, lawyers became chancellors, stabilizing equity. Lord Eldon stressed fixed principles for equity. He opposed changing doctrines with each judge. The Judicature Act unified equity and common law courts. Equity's primacy was enshrined, forming the Supreme Court. The Act divided the court into High Court and Court of Appeal. The Judicature Acts restructured the legal system. They combined common law and equity courts. A uniform system of pleading and procedure was established. Courts now decide cases with both laws in mind. Equity prevails in conflicts, as per Earl of Oxford's case. Equity provides justice beyond tangible remedies. It evolved through 5 stages, including jurisdiction fusion. Equity addresses gaps left by common law. It offers flexible solutions based on case circumstances. The merger allowed courts to administer both laws in one action. Equity encompasses fairness and justice in law. It includes rules administered by courts of equity. Equity also refers to a share in a company. It represents property value over encumbrances. An equitable right or claim, such as equity of redemption, is included. Common law is rooted in customs and traditions. Equity mitigates the harshness of common law. It fills legal gaps and offers flexibility. Equity provides fair judgment based on circumstances. It seeks justice beyond rigid legal frameworks. Common law remedies are primarily monetary. Equity offers non-monetary solutions like injunctions. Judges weigh case particulars for appropriate remedies. Equity expanded remedy options beyond financial compensation. The system of judge-made law developed through precedents. Common law judges declare law substance through decisions. Chancery courts introduced judge-made law based on precedents. Judges refer to past judgments for guidance. This system evolved even after law and equity merger. Precedents direct justice in similar cases. Equitable maxims guide discretionary jurisdiction. They embody early courts' insights and wisdom. Maxims like equity sees as done are fundamental. They ensure no wrong goes without a remedy. Maxims uphold fairness and justice in equity application. The Judicature Acts fused equity and common law. Ashburner noted their coexistence without mingling. Courts can award remedies from both systems. Legal and equitable distinctions remain in trust management. Equity's role is crucial in property disposition. The Judicature Acts aim to unify court systems. They combined common law and equity courts. A uniform pleading and procedure system was established. The Acts enforced a consistent rule of law. Equity and common law recognize different rules. Equity embodies an intangible sense of justice. It has ethical and legal implications. Equity evolved through binding precedents and crystallization. Legal and equitable jurisdictions merged in courts. The distinction between law and equity in procedure was abolished. In conclusion, understanding the historical events that led to the development and nature of equity is essential for appreciating its role within the modern legal system. Equity emerged to address the rigidity and limitations of common law, providing fairness, flexibility, and justice where strict legal rules fell short. By examining its origins, principles, and evolution, learners gain insight into how equitable remedies and doctrines continue to shape legal outcomes today. This foundational knowledge highlights the importance of equity as a complementary system that ensures fairness and moral integrity within the law. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843616888.